Welcome to the Fashion Factory. Recycled denim bomber jacket, applique with freestyle embroidery, leather trim, fantastic Union Jacks.
I would really like to make this skater skirt with this vintage tape because it looks really nice.
Okay, well this is, you've got your pattern piece nicely lined up, so let's get this pinned on first. Okay, make sure your centre front is against the edge. Get it pinned on and we'll cut it out. You should always get your centre front or your centre back lined up with your selvage first, okay? So you pin that line first like that, okay? And then you smooth it out and pin your corners, and then you do your curves afterwards. Now we can cut. So cut this way, small snips. Into you. Slide it along the table, that's it. Okay, if you carry on pinning in. This looks fantastic, Felicity. So what are you going to do with your design?
I'm going to put this tray applique on using these fabrics.
That's a lovely vintage silk. That's going to look amazing. Really, really good. And what about you, Charlotte?
Well, I just did that.
That's really well done, isn't it? I love the bits of leather here as well.
Thank you.
So what, are we going to do something with the pocket?
Oh yeah, I thought they were a bit boring, so yeah, I just put that there.
You know what would look fantastic if we did some freestyle embroidery around the edge of that. Maybe in bright pink. That'd look great. Okay, let's go for it. I love the way you've done this applique, Scarlett, particularly where you've used little bits of leather here for the tusks. That looks really nice. Nice, looking very nicely done. Your couching as well around the edge. Looks great.
Oh yeah,
Mind your fingers, Scarlett. That's it, keep going. You have to keep your fingers out of the way when you do this. So you're tracing off your cherry onto the bond now, yeah? I love your image, Isabella, your applique. Great.
Yeah, these are my fabrics. I wanted to use like a really hard mix.
Okay, brilliant. Let's get going. This is a brilliant vintage scarf from a car boot sale that I found. What do you think?
I really like it. I was thinking of making a top out of it.
Top, let's have a look. Let's have a little drape around you. Yes, I think it would suit you actually, Rosie. Right then, so that's going to be the front. We've got plain black for the back. And there's your pattern piece. Get moving. Look, or is it the honeycomb? If you get it closer, just keep that centre line on the very edge, look, of your fabric all times. The centre channel. Right, there you go. Look, centre channel on the edge of your fabric. Okay? Take over. This is Fashion Factory, and you you can learn to make your own clothes no matter where you are, what budget you have.
Yeah.
Come and join in the fun.
This is Fashion Factory Slate 21 Action.
This is Amanda's Fashion Factory. Action. This is Fashion Factory. This is Amanda's Fashion Factory. Action! This is the Fashion Factory. Action!